Get ready to dive into 10 amazing gadgets you'll absolutely want to have. From next-gen espresso brewers to entertainment setups, these gadgets are set to change the way you live, work, and relax. Whether you're after smarter home devices or immersive entertainment, this lineup will definitely keep you hooked. Forget everything you know about espresso machines. Meticulous Espresso is breaking all the rules. No boiler, no pump, no water tank. This sleek machine is designed with cutting-edge technology for the ultimate espresso experience. At its heart, Meticulous is all about precision. It features a powerful onboard computer and a precision-controlled heated chamber. With 10 internal sensors that monitor pressure, temperature, and flow, it ensures every shot is perfect every time. There's even a built-in precision scale under the drip tray for accurate measurements. Want a perfect espresso with just one touch? The Adapt mode has you covered. But if you're a coffee geek, you can take full control. Customize pressure and flow profiles to create your own signature brew. Meticulous Espresso is more than a machine. It's an experience. It's unlike anything you've ever seen, and the espresso it makes, unlike anything you've ever tasted. Whether you're a casual drinker or a coffee connoisseur, Meticulous Espresso is about to change the way you enjoy your coffee. Looking for a versatile chair that's perfect for intense gaming sessions and laid-back relaxation? The Fractal Design Refined Gaming Chair offers a blend of comfort, style, and precision design to enhance both your gaming and chill time. The Refine is built with adaptive mesh and high-density foam cushioning to keep you comfortable through long gaming sessions. Its memory foam headrest and soft padded armrests add to the ergonomic support, ensuring you're ready for hours of play without fatigue. With a synchro tilt mechanism, you can naturally recline, while the adjustable tilt tension lets you customize your back support. Plus, you can fine-tune the chair's height, seat depth, and even the 4D armrests for ultimate control. The lumbar support is also fully adjustable in both depth and height, keeping your back aligned perfectly. It's built to last, with durable materials and a sturdy aluminum wheelbase for stability. The hubless casters provide smooth, fluid movement, allowing you to glide across any surface effortlessly. If you're serious about comfort and precision, the Fractal Design Refined Gaming Chair is your new gaming companion. Get ready to dive into the next level of virtual and mixed reality with the MetaQuest 3S. With mixed reality, blend the digital and physical worlds effortlessly. Play games, stream movies, or browse the web, all while staying aware of your surroundings. Multitasking is a breeze too. Pull up multiple screens, check messages, and even hop into a video call without missing a beat. It delivers sharper visuals and smoother gameplay, thanks to 2x the graphical power of its predecessor. Whether you're in a fast-paced VR game or a cinematic experience, expect buttery smooth performance. Turn any room into your private theater with its vibrant, giant screen, and share the fun by casting your gameplay to a TV. The advanced Touch Plus controllers offer realistic sensations and precise control, while you can also use just your hands to navigate through content. The lightweight design ensures hours of comfortable play, whether you're working out or battling ghosts in your living room. Best part? It's completely wireless, so you're never held back from total immersion. With built-in social media apps like Instagram, WhatsApp, and Messenger, you can stay connected while you play, making MetaQuest 3S the ultimate all-in-one VR experience. Sonos Arc Ultra delivers a cinematic sound experience right in your living room. With revolutionary spatial audio technology, it brings out ultra-immersive 3D soundscapes, making movies, music, and games come alive. The precise sound motion adapts audio to your space, ensuring every seat is the best one in the house. Plus, the crystal-clear dialogue makes sure you never miss a word. Whether you're watching a blockbuster or just chilling to music, Sonos Arc Ultra redefines premium audio. Looking for the ultimate desk setup? The Secretlab MAGNUS Pro has you covered. This standing desk is all about precision. Get the perfect height every time with just the touch of a button. Say goodbye to clutter with Magnus magnetic accessories designed to keep your workspace sleek and organized. Its fully integrated power supply column ensures clean, effortless cable management. Plus, the diffused LED strip lets you add a customized, vibrant glow to your setup. Whether you're gaming or working, this desk is engineered to elevate your experience. Meet the remarkable Paper Pro, a next-level digital notebook designed for those who want to go beyond traditional paper. Featuring a stunning 11.8-inch canvas color display, it offers a writing experience that feels closer to paper than ever. The precision of the stylus is incredible. Whether you're sketching intricate designs or taking quick notes, every stroke feels perfectly precise. One of the standout features is its type folio, allowing you to seamlessly switch between typing and handwriting, making it ideal for all your productivity needs. Plus, the device is built to last, crafted from durable materials that ensure longevity. And don't worry about your sensitive information. The remarkable Paper Pro keeps your work safe with its advanced security features, so your ideas stay protected. It's more than just a notebook, it's a versatile tool for students, professionals, and creatives alike. Whether you're writing, drawing, or brainstorming, you'll appreciate the freedom and flexibility it provides. The remarkable Paper Pro is designed to elevate your productivity and creativity wherever you are. The OHUP Gym Chair is a game changer for home fitness enthusiasts. With its sleek design and robust metal construction, it seamlessly integrates gym equipment into your everyday furniture. Imagine starting your day with a full-body workout. Just lower the backrest, and you're ready to go. The OHUP Gym Chair features resistance bands that provide varying levels of intensity, targeting all major muscle groups for fat burning, muscle building, and posture improvement. It's like having a fly machine, dumbbell bench, rowing machine, and Pilates reformer in one compact chair. Adjustable arm angles and backrest positions let you customize your workouts, and with no electricity required, it's silent and efficient. The chair supports up to 300 kilograms, and its eco-friendly fabrics are both durable and stylish. Fitness tracking is also made easy with integrated sensors that sync to a mobile app, offering real-time data and movement analysis. When you're done working out, it transforms back into a functional chair for relaxing, working, or dining. It's more than just a chair, it's a lifestyle transformation. The 8 Sleep Pod 4 Ultra is the ultimate upgrade in sleep technology. It's not just a mattress, it's a personal climate control system designed to optimize your sleep. Whether you're dealing with summer heat or winter chills, the Pod 4 Ultra keeps you comfortable all night long with its powerful cooling and heating system that can adjust up to 20 degrees below room temperature. What sets this apart? Dual zone technology. You and your partner can set your own individual climate preferences without affecting each other's side. Plus, with a newly redesigned sensor layer, it tracks your heart rate, breathing, and sleep cycles with 99% accuracy, no wearables needed. This smart bed even has a built-in autopilot. It monitors your sleep and health data in real time, adjusting temperature and elevation for your best night's rest. Snoring? No worries. The Pod 4 Ultra automatically lifts your head to keep the airways clear, reducing snoring by up to 45%. Top it all off with a gentle vibration alarm, and you'll wake up feeling refreshed every day. The 8 Sleep Pod 4 Ultra is more than just a bed. It's a game changer for your health and well-being. Shelfy is a revolutionary solution to food waste that's going to save you money and help the planet. Every year, 20% of food gets wasted, and that's responsible for 10% of global CO2 emissions. But Shelfy changes the game. Just pop it in your fridge, and it extends the shelf life of your food by up to 12 days. How does it work? Shelfy uses advanced nanomaterials to destroy harmful microorganisms that spoil your food. It even reduces bad odors and bacteria, keeping everything fresh. Plus, it's easy to maintain. No need for filter changes, just rinse it underwater. And with a battery that lasts up to 30 days, it's super low maintenance. But Shelfy doesn't stop there. It's smart too. With a door sensor and an Alexa-compatible app, you can track how often your fridge is opened and even get tips on saving energy. It's like having a personal assistant for your food. Shelfy isn't just a gadget, it's a mission to fight climate change and reduce food waste. The Bambu X1 Series 3D printers are your ultimate tool for creative precision. This isn't your average 3D printer. It's packed with advanced features to help you create complex designs effortlessly. It comes with a compact body and large print volume. Despite its sleek design, you get a massive print area, giving you the flexibility to tackle bigger projects. The dual-core advanced motion control system ensures fast, smooth, and precise movements, while the Core XY motion system with a lightweight toolhead keeps everything efficient. The X1 also features dual auto bed leveling, paired with Bambu Micro LiDAR for perfect accuracy before each print. It uses real-time sensor monitoring with 43 sensors keeping everything in check, so you can focus on your creativity, not troubleshooting. And with a 720p LCD touchscreen, navigating the settings is a breeze. You're not limited to just one color or material either. The automatic material system allows for up to 16 colors, and it is multi-material capable. Plus, you can manage prints remotely using the Bambu app for added convenience. From activated carbon air filters to active vibration compensation, this printer is designed to give you professional results with minimal hassle. It's your go-to solution for all things 3D printing. Don't forget to browse our channel, like and subscribe for more cool tech. Thank you for watching.